Thank you very much. It's for a peace for whole world. Wherever is the suffering, it doesn't matter what religion you are. We are all united under one flag up here. We got a British flag. We live in this country. This is a peaceful country. And we are Muslim. This is our religion. And we expect everybody to respect our religion. It doesn't matter what faith you are. We are peaceful Muslims. And this is our country. So we got all unite against any terrorism. And let me send this clear message to all the governments of the world that we as a Muslim are not terrorists. We are a peace-loving citizens of Britain, and please don't label us as a terrorist.
What he said, basically we have got nothing to do with terrorism. Yeah, you can see there is a British flag is going to be raised as well as Pakistan flag, and also the white flag. So this is for the peace initiative taken by Hazrat Saki Sultan Bahu, and it is going to hold in Birmingham. You are live watching this, and also you can see a lot of sisters behind as well. They joined us as well, so they are also joining us because the sisters are a major part of our community. वो भी हमारी ख़वातीन जो है, वो हमारी ख़वातीन है, उन्होंने भी ज्वाइन किया हुआ है. आप देख सकते हैं राउंड द बैक उस तरफ जो है वो बड़ी तादाद में ख़वातीन आई हैं, कुछ अंदर भी बैठी हुई हैं. सुल्तान बाहू सेंटर इस वक्त फुल है ख़वातीन और हज़रात से मुख्तलिफ मज़ाहिब के लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं. मसालिक के लोग, दूसरे मसालिक के लोग, उनको भी दावत दी गई थी. और जो यहाँ पर इंटरफेथ
Which part?
From our own tradition, but from all the faith leaders of Birmingham, from all the traditions who meet there. And we're in a city that has adopted the tradition of love, but today is a very good start.
Jazakallah khair. We welcome everyone, and I will especially ask the organizers and the people who have invited dignitaries and the leaders, please give
और 5 खुशनसीब मदीने जाएंगे. मैं माने मदीना बन गए, बस ऐलान बाकी है. किस्मत में मेरी चैन